Hi, I'm Miss Amy from the Rogers Public Library, and this is for my program Colorín Colorado. Hola, soy la señorita Amy, y esto es para mi programa Colorín Colorado. This week, I read a book called How to Hide a Lion. So, this book is exactly what it sounds like. It's about a little girl named Iris who is trying to find ways to hide a lion that she found. So, if you're interested in this book, and you weren't able to hear me read it, feel free to come to the library to check it out. One of my crafts for today is this little paper lion. So this is what he looks like, and I'm about to show you how to make him. So let's get started. In your packet, you will find this template for our lion, and in this little plastic baggie, we'll have 2 crayons so you can use them to do his mane. So I'm going to start by using this blank space down here to start painting his mane. And you can just make it look like a big firework and then cut around it so that it looks like his mane. So let's get started. So here's the lion's mane that I drew, and I went ahead and cut out the little circle that's going to make his face, and I'm going to measure it on my mane to make sure that it's a good size. And I think it might be a little too big, so when I cut out the mane, I'll just want to make it a little shorter. So now I'll do that. Alright, so here is what the little head looks like, and I went ahead and glued the circle onto the mane, and I drew some eyes on it. For the head, we'll also want to take these little pieces, these little yellow pieces, and these are going to be the ears, so we'll want to put some on either side of his little head. Just like that. So now I'll work on the body. So this long strip right here is going to be our body, and we are going to cut it out, and then I'll show you what to do. So now we'll take this strip of paper that is the body, and we are going to put some glue right up here, and then we are going to fold it like this. And this is going to be the very underside of him. So let's do that. And I'm going to fold it on my table like this, and that way he can stand up like that. So now I'm going to take this last piece, and these are his 2 little legs, and I'm going to cut them out and then glue them right onto the front of his body. So let's do that. So now these are my 2 little legs, and I went ahead and drew some little toes on him, and now I'm going to put some glue on the back side and glue them on like this. So this is what it looks like, and now I'm going to take my head, put some glue right on the back of here, and then we just glue it on like this, and he is done. So there is one of our little lion crafts. So he's so cute, and now let's get started on the other one. So my second craft is this one, and he is made out of cupcake liners, and he is just adorable. In your packet, you will find an orange paper plate, a yellow circle, about 10 cupcake liners, and the rest of our supplies will be in the little baggie that we took the crayons from. Here we have 2 triangles for ears, a black pom-pom for his nose, and 2 googly eyes. First thing I did for mine is that I cut the plate into like a flower shape, so that way it would look more like a mane and not just a circle. And you don't have to do this, of course, it's just something I wanted to do, so feel free to either do it or not. So here's my plate once I've cut into it. And now there are 2 ways you can do this. You can either start putting down your cupcake liners first, or you can put down the circle for his head. So when we're putting on the cupcake liners, you'll want to either take them in half like this, and then fold them so they look like this, and then we'll want to put glue right here and glue them down. Or so it looks like you have more cupcake liners, you can cut it in half and then just make sure the colored side is facing out. And I'm going to go ahead and add his little ears. And now I'm going to add the rest of his features, like his eyes and his little nose, and then I will draw on a mouth with Sharpie or any other marker or crayon that you find. I went ahead and gave him a little mouth and some whisker dots and some eyebrows to make him angry, and I am done. So these are both of my crafts, and if you like them, you can feel free to come to the library and pick up your own packet. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!